About to meet up with Chucky so we can go hike a potato chip ride. Remember, you guys, if you're gonna go out on a long hike, man, make sure you get yourself a healthy breakfast. It's been a long time since I've hiked potato chip. I don't think Chucky's ever done it, so we are going to do that today. I haven't dropped a hiking video in a while. I haven't really been hiking as much as I used to. If you guys like any of my hiking content, man, make sure you leave a comment, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. My man, do you have any Grey Poupon? Why are you wearing hiking boots?
Because I can. Shut up.
Hop in the whip, girl.
What? Stop.
She a gang member.
Tag.
If you don't want to get sunburned, make sure you protect your skin. Bruh. The most important organ of the body. So we're gonna start this hike off at Lake Poway. They got restrooms in case you need to go number 1 or number 2 before the hike. There ain't no toilet on the trail. Like, you could throw birthday parties here. Well, anyways, you guys, we're gonna start this hike. I'm out here with Chucky. Don't worry, she don't have COVID anymore. I'll try my hardest to keep my cussing to a minimum, but it probably ain't gonna happen.
Hey, sugar daddy. Hi. Oh, he turned around.
This girl fucking crazy. What the hell? Dude, you're gonna get yourself kidnapped one day. I'm joking. I hope that don't happen. By who?
No, it's little.
Oh yeah, you told me. See, she got kidnapped when she was little, and they brought her back because she's fucking annoying.
Please tell me you didn't forget your stickers.
No, they're in my backpack.
Is it recording?
I'm going.
You could have sold them.
So I lied, you guys. There are bathrooms along the trail. There's one right there, and then there's one right there. You know how many times I said I'm never gonna hike again? Now I'm out here hiking again. Why do people even fucking hike? It's fucking stupid. Stupid. It's stupid. How the fuck is it that 2 people who did the most fucking highest peak in Southern California, we did it, we're already like out of breath in like fucking 15 minutes into this hike? We're fucking out of shape. Old as fuck, fat as fuck, ate a choco taco for breakfast. Snake? Don't? Snake. I'm a fucking jerk. See or no?
Yes.
Nah, no females tell you not to be thirsty. Don't be thirsty out here either, man. Don't die of heat stroke. Minimum 1 gallon. Your little baby ass sperm cup is like a glass of water. You ain't drinking none of my water. That's what damn sure. Oh, check out this view. Look, she's from the hood. She ain't used to this type of shit. So you could take Chucky out the hood, but you can't take the hood out of Chucky. See, she's trying to hit me. Violent, fucking gangster. This is like a 3-hour hike. So we're gonna do it in about 3 hours because of this slow poke. Nah, by myself, how fast I move, 3 hours in like 15 minutes. Take your fucking bananas.
It's your banana.
That girl's slow. And I don't mean slow walker. I mean slow. So I was telling her earlier that one time I ate a moth because she said she accidentally swallowed a bug and it was nasty. I told her the moth was nasty. It's bitter, dry, and pasty. And then I also ate a worm for $5. And those don't taste like anything. But I also ate ants when I was a kid because I dropped my ice cream cone on the tree and there was ants covering it. And I didn't want to rinse it off and waste most of the ice cream. So, and they were spicy. I think that's why I'm feeling in love with Sheila. Were you going the right way? Yeah.
Light this bitch up.
It's warm out here. Makes the hike a little more difficult. It's not too hard. I would probably give it like a 3.5 of difficulty. To 5. 3.5 to 5, not 10. But it is a nice hike. It's kind of boring at first. And then the higher you get, there are a lot of stairs, a lot of big ass boulders. You're supposed to be able to eat that.
Eat it.
It's called yucca. Now they're dead. Probably in the springtime. I heard it's not tasty, but it gives you a boost of energy if you need it on the trail. This tree was standing the first time I did it. It was cool. Like from the rocks and shit. Now it's all dead and fell down. Oh well. It's hot than a motherfucker today. What is it? Let me see. I'm gonna find out right now. Right now.
That's my spirit animal.
Eagle? My spirit animal is the dung beetle. Cause I always be in some shit. I don't know what's wrong with me, you guys. We're taking a scenic route to a viewpoint. I've done this hike like 3 times. The long way. And I've never come to this viewpoint, so we're gonna check it out right now. Holy shit, it feels good right here. We're not even at the top, but this is pretty cool. Hey, it's up there. You see the towers? It's right over there. The viewpoint was cool, you guys. I think there's like some other trails you could take, jump on different rocks, but we're gonna continue. there's a few shady spots that you can find on the trail. Not very many, but there's a few, so take advantage of them, especially if you come during the summer or a hot day like this. It's fucking fall, dude. Middle of November, basically, and it's hot than a motherfucker out here. That's San Diego for your ass, though. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Potato Chip Rock. The top of Mount Woodson. Me and Chucky did it in an hour. Psych.
Yeah, right.
I landed on my leg funny.
You good? You okay?
Yeah. I fucked up my leg, you guys. She has to carry me back down the mountain. I'm just playing, you guys. I'm not hurt. It did hurt real quick, though. I landed funny. I landed on this leg funny. And I was limping around and shit. But I'm good. I stretched it. And I'm straight. Now it's time to eat my orange and my sandwich. He's over here eating greasy ass potato chips. And I'm eating healthy. What the fuck's wrong with this girl? Alright, you guys, well, this is it. This was potato chip hike. I'm not gonna record no long ass video going back down the mountain unless this motherfucker falls or something. But other than that, see y'all later. So I lost my banana. It was in the side pack of my backpack, and I don't know where the hell it is. So maybe we'll possibly find it on the way down. Kind of sad, you guys, but we'll see. Well, we didn't find my banana on the way down the mountain. Poor banana. Out there in the wilderness all by itself.